Inline Fiberglass Limited is the only fully integrated fiberglass window and door manufacturer in Canada. Founded over 25 years ago by a team of dedicated engineers and technicians, Inline Fiberglass is both pioneer and leader in the industry. Their research led to the commercialization of proprietary technology and equipment used to pultrude thin-walled lineals in virtually any shape that is consistent over the length of a profile. Fiberglass is a natural insulator because it does not conduct heat and cold. The expression glass on glass is used to indicate expansion and contraction on the frame and vision glass. Therefore, the components function as a complementary unit at minimal rate. Inline fiberglass products have been used in projects big and small. David Fujiwara was the architect on a number of buildings, including the Now House, a demonstration project that turned a 60-year-old World War II house into a near-zero energy home.
The fiberglass frame window is durable in this kind of weather. It's got minimal conductivity from the outside cold to the inside warmth. It's probably in a state of contraction at this moment, but it's contracting at the same rate that the glass is, so that there's less chance that a seal will break. All of these things are working in favor for this kind of a window to operate to the maximum.
People architects appreciate the benefits of using inline fiberglass.
We've used the inline fiberglass window on quite a number of projects now, including a child care center at Minjikning First Nation and a convent, and the quality of the product is proven. The windows are one part of a very high-tech cladding system for the building. It's a rain screen metal panel system, and the windows, which offer a very high level of insulation within their frames and high quality glazing, are an integral part of the performance of that system. We like the fact that when you touch the frame from the inside, it's warm and you don't get that cold feeling up close to the glass. One important aspect of the product to us is that it works into what I think is a very fresh aesthetic and appearance of the building, which has garnered a lot of attention. I think people really notice the building, and they work beautifully into the pattern of the charcoal and white panel system that we've used. So they work very, very well, not only from a performance and energy point of view, but also from an architect's vision of creating an iconic and exciting work of architecture.
Pultruded fiberglass is an extraordinary material with superior performance characteristics. Fiberglass reinforced polymer exhibits excellent physical, chemical, and thermal properties as follows: high strength to weight ratio, low maintenance, low conductivity, non-toxic, environmentally friendly, non-corroding, superior long life performance, excellent durability, sustainability, sound deadening properties, and lead potential. From glass marbles to fiber optics, once you realize how many products are being replaced with engineered fiberglass composites, you get the feeling that this is the material of choice, no matter what the application. Inline fiberglass was selected by Diamond & Schmidt Architects as the prime window supplier to the Evergreen Foundation for their showcase multi-level building at the Brickworks Restoration property.
The goal was to achieve, create an office building that had a much more energy efficient design than you see typically. And in fact, we're doing a building that has no air conditioning on the average floors in the summer. So we're relying on passive ventilation, and we're relying on an extremely well-developed envelope as far as thermal rating goes and insulation. So we need something that keeps it cool in the summer and keeps it warm in the winter. And part of that equation was the use of fiberglass windows.
We really wanted to show people that they can achieve a lot in terms of sustainability objectives by having a really great building envelope. So we have fantastic insulation and we have amazing windows.
The choice of Inline was based on the product itself they offer that is different than other people can offer. And specifically within the fiberglass window field, we felt they were the only company that could actually do the project and make our schedule in particular.
Inline's aggressive research and development program enables the company to stay at the forefront of the latest technological advances in the composite industry, opening up a new world of product opportunities.